Hi, this is Mike Ely with Ely Knives and Silver. Today I wanted to show you a simple solution for finding the center of your knife so that you can grind down to the middle and have your sharpening edge exactly in the middle of your knife blank the way you'd like it. They sell all kinds of jigs out there that are expensive, but this is a really cheap solution. So if you have a piece of flat steel on your yard somewhere, you can take that flat piece of steel, just lay it on top of a bucket maybe, such as I have, or go to a fancier solution if you want to. But if you lay that there, and then if you can see in the light of the camera, hopefully you can see that the grinding edge, what will be your cutting edge of the knife, is ground sideways. So you have cross marks going this direction on your blade. So if you just take this blade, lay it up here on the top of your steel, get it back about 2 inches, and then you take a drill bit. And I try to get a drill bit that is either a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller than your width of your knife. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and I'm going to slide that right along the edge of my knife, and I'm going to create a line. So I'm going to set the camera down, see if I can show you how I do that. Then I'll flip it over, I'll do it on the other side, and we should have parallel lines on the knife blade. I hope that came out good, because that is a very nice line. I'm going to do just a little bit more back here that I missed. Okay, hopefully you can see that parallel line. And if you get that line exactly where you want it, you can grind down just to that, do your heat treating, and then come back and finish up your grinding. So I hope maybe today that solves a problem in your shop, maybe makes a cheap solution to finding the center edge of your knife. Thanks for watching.